Hi, this is Kevin with Sue, and we're coming up with some training videos for you to explain the filter options available in Keywords by Network Empire. And we're back with the second video in the series, and in this one we're going to look at interesting long tails. So Sue, with the interesting long tails filter, can you give us an idea of what people are seeing here with this algorithm, and when we apply that algorithm, the keywords that come back, what are people seeing and how would they use these keywords?
All right, so I'm going to start at the very end of this filter. Keyword is long tail. So that is an element of the filter all by itself. And what that means is it's looking for any keyword that, in this case, our theme is email marketing. So it's looking for any keyword that contains email marketing anywhere within the keyword. It can be the front, the middle, the back, but it's got to be that exact phrase. So this can be useful if you're, for all kinds of reasons, if you're doing a blog post, or if you're doing a DAS campaign, or you need an inbound link and you need for it to be a long tail. It's not going to provide you with, well, we'll get into other ways of expressing the idea that's not a long tail. But for those instances where you need a long tail, these are going to bring you back in particularly good long tails because they've also got cost and traffic associated with them. So in other words, TLKT can bring you back lots of keywords that don't have any cost and traffic, and sometimes you want to use those because sometimes it's advantageous to use a keyword that's a long tail that doesn't have money associated, because then Google turns more of a blind eye to it. But if you want a long tail that's also got cost and traffic, which is particularly good if you're going to use a blog post, if you're doing something actually on your money site, you want to try and bring people who have more of a buyer's intent. So this is a great filter for that.
Okay, and that element of the cost and everything are these first two elements of the filter that people are there. This is saying that when the cost per day on the broad is greater than naught or has something, and the cost per day phrase is greater than something, and you see, you've told me already the cost per day broad and Google cost per day phrase is there. That is what is giving the value and the traffic, so that people can have that confidence that this is ideal for using in that scenario on blog posts, for having the links come back to their site. Correct. Excellent.
It's also good for your pay-per-click campaigns too, because it contains the keyword that your page is about. That's going to lower your
So this keyword is long tail. When we look at, constructing your own filters later on, is quite a useful element within any filter to learn about now and have an eye on.
Exactly.
Okay.